Um, okay. Oh, wait, can I? Let me see. I should be able to hear myself, but I cannot. I mean, I can barely hear myself, so I need to make this lower so I can actually. Wait, something is strange. Why is something always strange? Um, okay, so if I do this and I can't hear myself, but no, I'm very low. Oh, because I see laptop is very far. How about this? Oh, okay. Yeah, that is a little bit better, I think. Yeah, so yes, programming. You guys, okay, so what am I working on? I'm working on the project that I have linked in the, not that. Well, I mean that, yes, but not that. um, I'm working on the project that I have linked in the video description. You guys, the same one that I was working on last night, and you guys get to see me lose my mind working on it, because that's just how it always is. So yeah, it's amazing. Okay, so without further ado, let's just jump right to it. While me trying to keep chatting about other stuff. Yeah, so okay, yes. I mean, we started today slightly late because we were gaming. I mean, that's not how it is. It's just I'm always, yeah, I don't know. Oh, that's not what I want to do. I want to do this and I want to do this. Yeah. Yeah, but what was I saying? Yeah, I mean, I always start around this time anyways because I am just not so much of a morning person, but that is fine. Yeah. It is good to not be I mean, I don't know, like I feel like we as researchers are just a little bit too free to do a well, not like too free, but you know, this is just what it is. We also work late, so it's whatever. You guys also saw me programming until like, well, not like until, but programming at like late yesterday. So there's that before I just eventually say that I'm gonna play video games. But now we are back to being back to trying to be productive. Yeah. Okay, so sorry, the particle incorrect thing, because that's what hardware design is like. The community is like that. So that is just why it is. Yeah. So actually, let me look up how to cast a class to sub. Oh, there's a way to do it. That's amazing. Yeah, and there has to be a way to do it, right? Yeah, oh, is this even right? Um, Manage, do I really have to? There has to be a simpler way to do it, right? It's not a, yeah, but if I can convert, um, okay, so if I did this, would it work? Mm, what is this? Oh, no, that's not how it works. Um, if I just did this, I hope it will work. Yeah, I mean, not well. Uh, like there has to be some simple ways to do this. So I literally just redefine it. Unless I do this, which is a I would just write whatever and hope it works. Yeah, if not, then I can worry about it later. Okay, so where are we? We're talking about talking about me staying up late gaming. That is what we're talking about, and living very degenerate lifestyles. But I don't know. That is just what it is. Yeah. Um, and also me trying to think of, yeah, I guess that's the thing. Like I want to hang out and chat while doing this, because otherwise I feel I'm just going to lose my mind. But then at the same time I need to somehow figure out what to chat about, because I feel like I just woke up and my brain is not like awake yet. uh about, I don't know, about, oh right, I don't know if I should even try to advertise the cover like I did. I mean, I probably should because I always see or hear other streamers doing it. So yeah, you know what? Sure, yeah, I tried to record something that's super undercooked, a couple of days ago because I have a trip to Taiwan like soonish, and because of that, I just had to push the cover out, and I wish I had another like I don't know like I wish I had like another 2 weeks to work on it, but it is what it is, right? Yeah, and the other things that I think I also mentioned yesterday, yeah, maybe I don't need to like keep mentioning the thing that I already said yesterday. But yeah, I'm getting a music teacher, so I could actually try to figure out how to like what is wrong with my pipeline. I feel like one thing is that yeah, I feel like this one is compared to the last one, this one is not that bad. Like okay, so maybe yeah, this is right, and let's get rid of this. Yeah, wait, is this going to work? Somehow don't think this is right, or is it? I feel like something is very you know what? Yeah, it's not going to work, but that's fine. Yeah. So okay, yeah. So plans for the day, I guess. So I mean, this is as you guys can see on the screen. This is 11:30 a.m. So we started late, but not like way too late. And then do I? Why is this here? Okay, that is totally fine. Yeah. So the plan today is pretty much just that I'm going to a Oh, is this why? Wait, but then this should be. Oh, that is going to be slightly annoying. Um, okay, and then the thing will certainly complain about this being not existing, but that is fine because I just need to do this. Oh, sorry, I need to keep chatting about well, this is I guess part of me just trying to. Yeah, I feel like I don't know. I rarely do a good job on like chatting while programming, but I don't know. It's just something I don't want to give up on. You know, maybe one day I will be able to figure out how to do it to chat while programming and just try to a No, I feel like that is the other thing. Like I feel like at some like on the good days, I actually am able. I'm actually am able to do this on my good days. I mean, yeah, so I feel like it's just I don't know. Yeah. Let me see. Is this that is not? Oh, that is scary. No, that is fine. Yeah, I think. I hope. Let me see. Oh, because yeah, I need to do a casting here, right? Um. Okay. So let me see. Okay, this is what I was hoping that would happen, but we don't know if that's actually going to happen. So let's find out. Yeah, I mean the everything else would still complain, but whatever. Anyways, plans for a day. Yeah. So if, so this I'm working on is technically due on like 3:30 p.m. or something like that. So the plan is pretty much just that I am going to, just work on this until 3:30. I mean until 3 and then I get on campus, right? So that is probably what is going to happen. I mean, I guess I could always also, just hope to finish this early and then I can go eat, right? So yeah, maybe that is what's going on here. Divergent implicit uh that cannot be the what is it, right? That should be fine, and then this should be a and then I just do the same thing, yeah. Yeah, so basically, what was I saying before I got distracted into programming again? Uh, right, plans for the day. So we are going to a Yeah, so we are going to hopefully program for a bit, but hopefully get this done. Like, wait, that is not the change I wanted to make, and now I'm incredibly lost. That's amazing. Okay, so I want to get rid of this, and I wanted to, what is this? This is this, so I can get rid of this. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I don't know, spend like a couple hours trying to make progress here, and then if I manage to finish early, I will just go eat and then go to the meeting and come back and play more re-rising in in the evening. Oh, actually, this is what is it called? It's Tuesday. Tuesday means that there's World of Warcraft a weekly reset, which means I should be able to, which means I will be very happy to get a piece of gear from the vault. Either that or get a piece of transmog. I guess that's the thing, right? That I feel like at this point of the patch, I kind of don't even really care anymore. Um, is this how it should be? Oh, no, this should go like this. Yeah, okay. So what's I saying? Um, yeah, I feel like at this point of a patch, I don't even know if I really care. I mean, I probably just get a piece of gear that I would never use, but it's always the dopamine hit of getting a piece of gear. That the yeah, that it is it is what it is, right? So yeah, it's just you. Because you cannot. Yeah, so this is not how it works, I guess. Because compiler a oh no, I want to. Okay, so let's try the other thing. So course, yeah. Um, Let me see. I mean, this is going to work, right? I mean, this looks super ugly, but this is a just why this and same here, yeah. Okay, so where are we? We're talking about plans for the day. Yeah. So we are going to do this. We are going to go to the good. Yeah. So we are going to do this, and then we are going to a what is it called? Yeah, we are going to do this, and then we are going to go to a meeting, and then we will come back and play more video games. I guess that's kind of the plan of the day. Yeah. Yes. Don't know what kind of video game I'm going to be playing today, though. We'll find out. Because okay, I feel like what is probably going to happen. Oh, right. Speaking of video games, so there is actually a mythic. I mean, just as soon as I say might not be interested in World of Warcraft anymore. Sorry. Um, there is going to be a mythic raid. Next, what is called on the upcoming, I think Saturday. So in like what 4 days? I think that might be what I actually am interested to do. So yeah, I will at least do that World of Warcraft wise and streaming wise. But besides that, I don't know. I feel I'm really enjoying V Rising this couple of days. I mean, I don't know if my enjoyment would persist in the Kotoha song, this amazing cover song. Yeah, I don't know if my enjoyment will actually stay for very long as I, fight my way into Act 2 and Act 3. I feel I'm just gonna die over and over and over again. But I don't know, we'll see. Maybe that is nothing wrong with that of getting better at the game. But yeah, I guess okay. So the thing about the Oshi about Kotoha, so she's doing this. I feel like I don't know what's the best way of say this, but I feel like I just like her too much, and I feel like at least I mean I always say this, right? Um, his case ancestor, but case to case. Oh this is hard, isn't it? So case to case inheritance is prohibited. Use extractor to pattern match on. What does it mean? Use extractor to pattern match. a non-leaf nodes. Use extractors to pattern match. Extract extractors. Can I just? Well, I guess one way to do it is to just get rid of this, right? And then this will work. I mean, this I will have to do something about this sometime, but oh, that's fine, yeah. I think. Um. Oh, wait, what? Because override is. Oh, I just did not save. Okay, good. Okay, yeah. So as I was saying, basically I had this um okay, that killed my train of thought just now. But yeah. So basically I've gotten into a habit of just watching her like every Tuesday and Friday morning because this is her streaming schedule. But yeah, like last Friday and today she was not streaming because of course, she's doing this like concert. Is it concert live? Whatever this like musician tour thing, and I am not going to fly very far to actually watch. Actually, yeah, one of these days I feel like one day I really want to, but I probably won't do it like now or like soon or like very soon, but still, yeah, like I feel like at some point I probably will want to watch her live like in person, but yeah. Hey, yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, so I don't know, it just feels a bit. I mean, I feel like her covers is really helping me, like, I don't know, be, I don't know, happy or whatever. But I also feel like, I don't know, like there's this, I don't know, I miss her, right? Because that is just how it always is. Yeah, so it's why it is. Okay, anyways, the thing seems to be running, which is fine, yeah. I hope this pass. I mean, it would be very strange if it doesn't pass, but yesterday it didn't, so. Okay, that is the next step of refactoring. That is very good. So what do I want to do here? What do I want to say about this? A uh 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 okay, I don't know if this is actually good in terms of like a like software design, but who knows about, like, we don't know any software design anyways, so that is just why it is. Yeah. Okay, so now back to chatting about, I don't know. Well, yeah, it's actually, speaking of like watching other streamers, like yesterday I actually spent a while watching Zepla, and like with the new FF14 thing, I feel like it's really nice. Um, yeah, I feel like at some point I probably just completely switch to 14 from World of Warcraft. Yeah, that's the other thing, right? Let the a oh, am I able to do the tricky part? Maybe I am actually. Maybe, let me think a little bit. If I do uh is this what I want to do? Let me think. I feel like that is strange-ish, right? Maybe this is fine. Um, what happens when the sorry, I know I'm like getting very technical here, but okay, so this has constructors. Um, so if I did this, I would need to can I template a class of a constructor? If I can, then what happens when you try to do the what is it called? Okay, let me see. Yeah, can the templated thing tag constructor a t extend something? Um, No, like how do you do like Scala templates. Um, Generics, that is the right term, yeah, because Java stuff, that is fine. So a good. This is any type, but I want to say this extends something. No, that is not it. A can I like oh type bounds maybe? Um, okay, this is good-ish, I guess. But then I would need to be able to. Why does this not compile? Oh, because would I be able to call constructors doing that? Because if not, then things will get very, very well. Let me think. I feel like this is going to get very, very a get very what's the word of the when you say a programming language is not well formed. I think this is not well formed, right? I feel like what I have in mind might not be well formed actually. Yeah, I don't know. The other thing is that this is just very, very a well, okay, that is fine, yeah. Uh, okay, and then I do this. Okay, and then is this still compiled? Because if it does, I will do something very funny here and see if it still compiles. I will say that um can I do this? Cannot. Why not? A not found, so I cannot literally just do this, hey? Um Now that is slightly tricky then. I need some kind of factory or something, but this is I really don't want to go that route. Hmm. How about if I just do this? Just to make sure it still compiles, yeah. Okay, it does, but then it's like how do I right, like there's some kind of like factory-ish thing that I don't know how to fit together. Um, yeah, I feel like this is a part. Yeah, I feel like I don't know. In terms of like chatting, I feel like there is it takes skill to realize to plan out like to gauge what is easy and what is hard, and only stream the thing that's easy enough that I can chat while doing because this is hard. Okay, so let me think. How do I do this? Because something is very sorry, yeah. Um, okay, so how do I do this? Generic constructor maybe? Does it allow me to construct from a generic? Generic parameter for constructor. Oh, maybe this is exactly what I want. No, it's not. Wait, what? This is what I want? Um, no, but I wanted to um the thing is like earlier the thing didn't even say the thing is valid, so there's that. I mean I could like invoke or whatever, but then that is a I don't want to go the invoke route. That is going to be incredibly it's going to be a huge headache if I did. What do I know? Like this is not what I know what I care about, right? So a is it possible to okay, that is the maybe the exact question I have, yeah. It is not possible. Uh okay, so if this is not possible, then what do I do, right? Um okay, using reflection, cache runtime class, and then find a proper constructor. That is you. I mean, okay, so that is the way to do it, but I really don't want to. A yeah, this class tag kind of thing. Do I want to go the class tag route? I could, but this is going to be a huge headache if I do, isn't it? Let me see. Get constructor and then and then just find and call it. I feel like this is like very like this is just scuffed. Like this is very scuffed, and I don't want to do it. Um, do I make a factory thing? Let me think. Um, okay. Well, first of all, it's a factory design. Well, what do I know about the factory design pattern? That is maybe the first question. Answer is not much. And question number two is if I can even use a factory design pattern here. I feel like given my answer to the first question, I would say I'm not sure, but I would say probably not. Given the little I know, I can already see I don't think it fits. Okay. If that were to be the case, then how do let me see here. Well, first of all, let me restore this. And then what, right? And then I wanted to say that this is, oh, unless the thing takes no, wait, no, like, even if the thing takes no construct, what is it called? Even if the thing can be default constructed, the the thing just does not let me, because this is not like C++, so I don't even know if what I'm trying to do is doable in C++. It probably is, because template meta programming, but yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I wish. Yeah, I wish this. I wish I could do template and hard programming here. Hmm. Sorry, just a finishing some 落藤花茶 and trying to throw out the dump out the remaining like flowers things and trying to make a cup of hot chocolate while thinking. I feel like my cup is a little bit stained, so I feel like uh I feel like I feel I would have to wash my cup like soonish, but I feel like I can make another. Maybe I can just drink my hot chocolate and pretend I did not feel stain, and then I can watch it after like later today because there's stuff like this. In fact, yeah, and maybe I don't. I've always been curious, like where does the stain from tea comes from? Is it literally just like tea particles? I hope it's just tea particles. I hope it's not like alive, which would be really bad if it were. I don't want to think about it. Yeah. So where am I? Yeah, I feel like the reason why I get sick, like, well, I well, sorry, I don't want to say I get sick a lot, but I feel like the sometimes I get sick might even though I barely go out probably because of stuff like this. Oh well. Anyway, so what am I doing here? Okay, that is my hot chocolate. Um, Now time to figure out how to do this. Yeah. Let's see. I mean, I guess in the worst case scenario, nothing around there yet. But in the worst case scenario, I can just, I can basically just please bring this to the postdoc, like to my senpai, and he probably can tell me what to do here because he's better at Scala than I am. But yeah, now I feel like the other thing is that I feel like I'm here to uh, like I did not expect to be fighting the type system today. And I feel like that is basically what it is, right? That like the yeah, I don't know, like something about a type system is not fun to work with. I mean, that might be one of the reasons why people don't write Scala because sorry, because sorry, just blowing my nose. But yeah, because the type system is funny in a not good way. Um, I mean, if it's in the Java family, then I guess there's an argument that I should be writing a what is it called? Yeah, that I should be writing a what's the term? Like like design patterns, but I really don't want to be using design patterns here. Especially, I mean, because I'm not good with it, and also because I feel like so much of design pattern is just over engineering. I mean, it has its place historically, but I feel like in the year 2026, this is not how you do things anymore. It shouldn't be how you do things anymore. So I don't know. Like, there's just a lot of like what people call engineering, but it really feels like over engineering. So I don't know. Like, what do I even do here? Um, yeah. So I guess okay, fine. Let's recap the problem here. So basically, I have a what is it called? So I'm constructing. What am I even? I'm constructing stuff here, but I want to template this, but then I cannot template it because I call constructor here. That is maybe a problem. So how do I deal with this? Well, I will have to, yeah, so basically I want to make this abstract or generic or whatever, but then there's no simple way of doing it, right? Or at least, I mean, what I'm wanting is literally something that Scala just does not give me. Yeah. Um, Unless there is a oh, except this could even just be a trade. So this is thing is just not powerful enough unless I do reflection. Um, this is like really bad if I had to do this. A let me see. We have reflection. So I just have to do a lot of like reflection stuff. Do I not? Let me see. What is this? Reflect and then constructor. Yeah, this is like factory type stuff that I don't. You for real? This is enough with your problem. Uh, yeah, just so much like reflection related nonsense that I don't want to deal with. Um, Auxiliary class constructors. What is this? Okay. Oh, maybe that is what I want. Can I wait? Is that but then generic? That is not how it works, right? Because I cannot like a maybe I can. Wait. No, static. Let me see. I don't think what I'm trying to do even makes sense, but let's see. Call function of call static function of a of template class. I don't think it's a thing. I really don't think this is a thing, but might as well see, right? Type classes. Okay. So then I will do a is this what I want? Let me see. So I had, well, okay, so where is invoked? It's invoked here, and then I basically say, oh, no, it's already, well, that's fine, yeah. So, I don't know why it's this, but then this is, wow, wait, what is this? I don't want to, um, what is this, right? This is a, this is check if implicit value of type T is okay. So I wanted to say a okay, so it's a cast. So I wanted to say the thing um the static method of the generic type because yeah, but oh, but I need instance. I cannot just grab the I thought. Wait, what is this? No, I thought, do I need instance or can I just like do? Can I literally just rip the thing out? Okay, so this is. Wait, what? What is this? Yeah, it just makes no. Okay, so I have this. This is not used. So I literally just a this might not be what I want. So let's see. What type classes in Scala is maybe the question, right? Uh, okay, so that is a trait, yeah. But then I always thought the trait only gives you what is it called? Hmm, but yeah, oh, so I feel I'm just incredibly confused. Um, has legs, sure. Um, I guess the question is, um, what is this paper, academic paper, sure, whatever. But the point is, okay, so I have a type class, and then I have, what's this? This is one of these. So I would just say that this is a, so I want the thing to be a trait, but then this is, that's really strange, isn't it? Let me try some. What do I even want to try? What can I try? This is a class, so I want to say that, uh, um, okay, and then so I had this, and then I wanted to do. Oh, but this is not what I want, right? Um, no, wait. I feel like, uh, no, I don't want there. I would just move it. I will just do it here. Yeah. And then what? What? Okay, so this is at least something that gives me something to try. Yeah, feel like I'm so confused by this. But okay, so assuming this goes through, now what do I want to even try here? I wanted to say that a um okay, and then okay. Wait, no, but I wanted static methods, right? So, oh, but you can even override a static method. So, actually, I don't even know if this calls a static method, but whatever. Uh, okay, and then a what? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, and then what? And then I don't think this is how it works. I really don't think it is. Uh, and then what? And then I say and then I don't think this even compiles. Okay, so why does it not? Well, okay, this is maybe easier thing to fix, but these are hardly the only problem here. And then it is saying that here it does not know what is this, yeah. Because why would it, right? Yeah, I cannot. So there's some stuff except this is okay. So what is this? These are objects that extend. Wait. Okay. So this is what's going on here? So this is a companion object of this. Um, it's incredibly confusing. So you are saying that you have a trait, which is a like type class or whatever, and then you have a what's this? Like where is this declared or defined? This is just not like this is not even a I don't understand this example and I don't know if I should. Yeah, because like this is not defined and I don't know how should I define it. Oh, it's defined here. Okay, let's see. What the heck is this, right? Um. Okay, so I had this, and then set implicit object here. Let me see. Oh, so the implicit object gives me what I want? Question mark. Okay, so this gives me this, and this gives me that, and this actually. Okay, so let me see. Okay, and if that is the case, then I would be able to do something with the companion object. Um, okay, that is promising question mark. Let me see. So how do I make this happen? I would do a okay then. I feel like this is going to be very funny looking, but whatever. Okay, so I will say, let me see. Okay, so I wanted this, and I wanted this. Yeah. Um. How do I specify overload or override? Um. Oh, it's just override. Okay, and then what? Then I don't. Let me think a little bit here. So okay, this is implicit, right? I think this is how it works. And then oh, this is going to be very strange because then I need to um let me see. Okay, I think this is how it goes. And then I will say that a this is very, this is not pretty, but this might work. Um, not even make this derived or whatever. Let us maybe a list of my worries low. So a okay, and then this is going to give me a how do I even do constructor? Okay, a uh this is very scuffed, but maybe this will work. And then I will say a what is it, type name? Where is this type name come from? Oh, wait, what? Very confused. Oh shoot, I see, but I really don't want to do this. Eh, yeah, this is really ugly. Yeah, there's actually just no. Yeah, that is maybe not what I want to do. Let me see. Or is there a way to make it a bit simpler? Let's see. If I did this, am I going to be able to just... Is this going to give me this? Because if it is, I can just do this, right? And then what? I don't think this is how it works, but you know, I mean, even if it were how it works, I could cannot be used for top level objects, but that's exactly what you're doing, unless you just maybe not. Like, why am I fighting the type system here? This is not how this should go. Hmm. I guess it's chat as ChatGPT, I guess. Um, don't know if I care about asking Japanese now to practice. Maybe I care a little bit. Why not? Yeah. So a I'm using Scala. Oh no. Using Fuka- I'm using Scala right now. Um, how do I even say this? I'm using Scala right now. I don't know. Maybe I can explain what is actually going on here because it might give me a yeah, give me some insights. I don't know. A belief propagation decoder. Is this how you say decoder? Maybe. Yeah, I think so. Now, okay, so it's a project on leaf propagation decoder. Now I have a what is it called? A I don't even know how to describe this. Um, uh, uh, now I have a few version of a uh variable. Is this how you say node? I think so, right? Uh, 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 so, uh, because I have different versions of variable node and check node, um, I want to, I want to say I'm using Scala and Spinal HDL. Uh, okay. Uh, in my tenor graph, in my tenor graph, Uh, I wanted to use Genic. Uh, how do I say I wanted to use? Tsukalitai, I think. Tsukalitai? Tsukalitakata? But but when you are using generic, um, uh, constructor cannot be used. How do I say this? Uh, Parameter. Uh, how do you even say, how do you even, I know there's gotta be Japanese for this, so let's see. Parameter. Just parameter? Why not, right? Sure, yeah, I don't care anymore. Generic. But the, I don't know if I should use Cat or demo. Maybe either way is fine. Um, but the, so there is generic parameters constructor. Uh, uh, I cannot use it. Uh, I cannot use it, so I think it's just this, right? Um, Maybe, I don't know. I should say I did a little bit of reading. Uh, uh, how do I say reading or research? Uh, or maybe just search. Yeah, Kensaku, right? But a lot of these say uh, reflection, or but the result says use reflection or a what is it called? Uh, basically just reflection, right? Or strange or some strange type class a pattern. Uh, uh, I should say it's ugly, but I forgot. I mean, sure. Uh, wow, there's so much noise out there because some kind of like what is it called, a I don't know, some kind of aircraft, plane or probably helicopter, and it's bothering me quite a bit. Uh, uh, how do I say? Yeah, I'm a bit confused now. Is this how you say I'm a bit confused? Maybe, I think. Uh, and then please also fix my Japanese grammar. Okay, let's see if it actually tells me anything good here. It gives me some. Okay, grammar is the easy part. Okay, so I'm using Scala and okay, yeah, so this looks right. Decoder, okay, yeah, so far it's good. And, oh no, it's just copying the and then it's going to correct it. Okay, okay, yeah. So I'm using this to write a project on. Okay, sure. Uh, Ikutsuka. Is that just like several or something? Yeah, okay. Ikutsuka no Bachin ga aru note. Okay, my accent is so bad. Telegraph generic ni kakitai to omoimashita. Demo kata? Is that? Kata parameta clock. Okay, yeah. Uh, imasu, komata imasu. I don't know. My accent always sounds like komata imasu. I think it's good. I don't know. Yeah, Goshi Shapel, Goshi Shapeta Tokyo. I don't know. I feel like my what is it called? Like inflection. I think it's a word that I basically just don't know how to make it sound right. Like if I just read it straight up, then it just sounds very strange. Anyways, yeah. So a yeah. So yes, cannot do this. Yeah. Factory function. Um. Oh. Maybe that will work actually. Huh. That's smart. If this works, then that is actually really smart. Um. Oh, that's amazing. If that actually is a thing, yeah. Um. That's actually very. Shoot. It actually works, doesn't it? I think it actually works. Yeah. Wow, okay. Okay, so it basically avoids the reflection and also the complicated type class. Okay. Um. Apparently, factory function is beautiful. Factory function actually works because Scala is a functional programming language. So it can actually just have a higher order function, and the thing actually does not look too bad. Okay. Don't know what I'm talking about anymore, but okay, you know what? Yeah, sure. Then let's go with this. So now what, right? Now I want to say a make variable is what? Is a list goes to variable and then make check is okay, and then instead of list I would just say instead of list I would just make variable, and this is just except this is going to take more than that. Wait. How do I? Okay, I need to get the arity right, which is maybe the easier thing. Um, how do I do the arity thing? I think it's literally just a this is just a number, right? And then this is big int. Uh, this has to be just a number, right? Please tell me it's just a number, not that. Do I even need? Okay, yeah. Let me think. Well, first of all, I don't want this anymore because this is just confusing. And then I want to say a if I just pass a class, it's invocable, right? I mean, that's maybe. Oh no, it's not because I need to do new. Okay, that's maybe fine. Yeah. Okay. Well, fine. First of all, arity. Okay. So this and then int and then big int. Yeah. And then make check will be a just this and then the number. Good. Now do make environment check. Yeah. And then this, I mean, this is so far sensible. I don't know how long is it going to stay sensible, but it would be maybe fine for now, I hope. Okay, and then I would just say when I instantiate this, I will what is it called? Yeah, where or when do I instantiate this? I think it's when do I do a tenor graph? Tenor graph, 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 tenor graph. Sorry. I feel like I'm losing my mind and you guys can hear it. Okay, so maybe I could do a make this at the end instead. Yeah, might be a little bit more I don't know what's easy to work with. I don't think anything here is reasonable anymore, but it's why this, yeah. Okay, so make variable and make check. Okay, so I would say that a this is um what was it? A I feel like this is going to be very funny looking, but if it works, then it works, right? So a okay, so I just do a what is it called? Okay. This. So I will do this, and then I would say this goes to a and then a I would say is this going to actually work the way I think? I mean, maybe I'm missing a what is it called uh braces, but that is maybe the least of our worries. Um, could not find. Oh, that's fine. Yeah. Well, it compiles, which means in my work. I mean, if it does, I'll be so glad. Wow. Okay, it compiles. Hmm. Okay, that's perfect. Now I just need to somehow make sure the uh I need to make sure that this thing still behaves as they should, right? But I guess okay, fine. Let me first do this. So a what is this? Well, I don't want to push this. I feel like at some point I should eat. Um. So what is it? A parameterize? No. Yeah. Parameterize. I don't know. Add factory methods for internal graph. Add vertex. Add vertex. What is it? Factory methods. Internal graph. Okay. Maybe I should. I don't know if it makes any difference, but I should say, should say works and things at least for practicing Japanese. Uh, how do I say works? Ah, it's just data. Surprisingly clean. How do I say surprisingly clean? Uh, surprisingly, yeah. How do I? Oh, sure. Yeah, I basically sure. Yeah, let's do it. Uh, uh, yeah, it's surprisingly clean and clean such uh pretty, I guess. And then thank you. Yeah. Uh oh, don't need this. Okay, yeah. Okay, good. So now what? Now I want to now I need calories to eat and also figure out what to do with this. Okay. Um I feel like if I just do more, I'll probably just get trapped into another rabbit hole and never get out. But I'm so close. I'm actually so close. Yeah, I really want to get it done. Let me see. So what is the interface like? I have in and I have one, two, three, four things. Then you override this four. And then I also need to override a this five, six. And then I'll be good, right? Um I don't know why like a lot of people who can just do this kind of very complicated, like I don't know, like even though this is very small changes, this small change in such big code base, so I always don't understand why can people make these changes easily. Like for me, even if it's like only like 10 minute or 5 minute change, in principle, it always takes like so much mental energy to make like small changes like this. So yeah, I don't know. Um, yeah. Well, okay. Let's just first well, let me see. Mm, Let me think a little bit on what else to do here, or what else can I do here? Um, or what else should I, or what should I do here? Okay, so I want to, well, okay, I want to bring that back. I also want to bring this back. Um, I also need to make plans on like when or what do I eat. I mean, I guess I deserve to eat something good after this, but still, like when. Um, okay, this is fine, I guess. And then this is relay check. I mean, this relay variable and relay check. And then here I would say that this is new relay variable and this is new relay check. Yeah, it's actually all coming together. So maybe I want to actually finish this. Ah, yes, more covered by Kotoha. It's amazing. Yes, very mesmerizing. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Yes, I would be moved to tears. Like, well, I mean, not, but yeah, it's so nice. So, so happy to have Oshi. Anyways, yeah, where are we? Sorry. Wait, actually, is any of this prefixed by relay? Because if it is, I need to try to get rid of it. I need to do this, right? And then yeah, maybe don't need this, and this is fine. Okay, don't need just usual stimulation stuff, of course. Yeah, okay. So I want to do a let me see. Well, I guess maybe just oh, I should not change both at the same time because one of them is going to fail, and this is going to just make me so sad. So maybe I should just do just the variable for now, and then I would not do this. I would just, one thing at a time just to make things a bit less crazy. So I uh, want to reset hard. That's what I want to do because I make too many changes, and my brain cannot handle this. Okay, good. So I want to get rid of both of these and just redo what I was doing. Okay, so I wanted to say that on the let me see on the tenor graph because that is what it is. Um, yeah, I'm so close to getting this done. Like, I mean, if everything goes through, I can even just before I go to campus into a meeting, I can even have the what is it called? I can even get on World of Warcraft to collect my piece of gear for the week from the very nice vault. I mean, it's probably gonna be vendor trash, but whatever. Okay, I guess the last step is to just completely replace this folder with, or maybe not yet. I just keep the refactor thing for now. Yeah. Okay. So let me see here. Um, Okay, so a instead of extend component, I want you to extend variable, right? So I need to just make sure all the interface lines up. So make sure like this on the right type. So what are I think it's literally just reg bracket like spread. This is just a reg square bracket bool, right? And then this is just a this is actually just huh. Is this hard type or what? I actually don't know what this should be. Um uh I'm going to think while making a cup of some kind of drink, so I'll be right back. I mean another tea, just don't know which tea, because I am not degenerate enough to do day drinking. Uh, not today. Okay, sorry about that. So, I wanted to let me see. I wanted to I wanted to do something like this, right? And then I wanted to say that this is I don't need any of this anymore. And then I don't need any of this anymore either. I will just say this is a vector of this is vector of bits, and this is what a and then this is a well no, I won't do this, yeah. And then this is a this vector of flow of bits, uh and then this is just a bool, and then this is a this is a fix, right? I'm pretty sure it's a fix. Let's find out here. A yeah, it's a fix. Yeah, okay. And then this is state, and then this is red bull. Okay, this abstract. Okay, and then I will do a this is not relay variable, and then this is a should be able to just do literally just this, right? I never understood this song by Uni. I mean, like Konoha's cover as usual. But yeah, okay. So if I did this and then and then here I pass a new relay variable. It's going to work. I hope so. Yeah. Uh, so I mean, if not, then I hope it's just because I don't have the right symbol here. Oh, wow, it's a lot worse than because right, okay. Wait, so because right, yeah. So I just need to do just a just this, right? And then it might work. Oh, except it doesn't know what a vec is or what a component is. That's also easy to fix. Um. Okay, so I would just if the thing does not know what a vec or a component, then I would just do this, yeah. I mean, if it still complains, then I could try to fix it some other way. But okay, so get rid of this and that, and then it still complains what? Um, well, this should be okay. This I know is this. So why is it that it's object? If it's a object, then why do you have? Oh, maybe this final enum. Yeah, but then why is it not? Why does it not know about registers? Let's do this. Is it going to work? I somehow don't think so, but you know, like I feel like the thing should know about what is it called about registers, so I know I'm missing something. I think unless the thing is automatically regged, which I don't think is the case. Hard type. No, not hard type. What is it called? Final. Interesting. Yeah. What are the like? There has to be some kind of like base hardware type that I can just say everything is. But I don't remember what is the right thing to say here. If I just like dig aimlessly like this, am I going to find it? Well, let's like, well, maybe. No, I want to, if I dig, I want to dig into in core, right? And then I just do this, and then, wow, Java, that's amazing. Don't, you know what? Yeah, let's just dig here. Why not? And then I can see that this is a, this is data primitive. That is not a, there has to be some kind of, well, okay. Oh, maybe let me first look at registers. Yeah. So a, okay, let's object, but then it's, oh, just data. Yeah, maybe that is actually what I need to do here. Um, what else was complaining? I remember there was the other thing that did not like me. Well, is mine not enough? No, still. Hey, let me see. This is not a member of Spinal Enum. But then if I did this, then it is going to... Wait, what? No, this is... No, wait, this was right, I think. Wait, what? No, like if I did data and save, then in this, it should go through, no? So confused. Well, okay, let me see. I feel like there's just so much of this just doesn't play well with the with OOP. That's why this. What do you mean here? Oh, because wait, that's public. Okay, let's do this, yeah. So just making what is it called? Central. Okay, so let me see if this is actually, yeah, okay, so some message delays, bias delays, okay. So I will basically have to a okay. So this is a number and sorry, just trying to finish making Sencha. So okay, so this is a number, I think. And then so is a first bias delays is somewhere. Oh, okay, perfect. Okay, this is also override. Probably there's argument I should be moving a some message delay up here as well, but whatever. Okay. Is it going to build? I don't know if I should be happy that it builds. I mean, if it doesn't build, then I would definitely be unhappy. But now that it builds, I don't know if I should be happy. Maybe I should because that means I will be done soon and I can go eat. Okay, yeah. Just surprised that this works. I guess it means I can literally just make everything of data, and that is fine. Okay, so now that is fine. So let me do the same with check nodes, yeah? So this is a relay check, and I need to do a framework check, which I can just copy and paste, which is duplicate. How do I duplicate it? Copy and fine. I'm just gonna copy and paste because that is just how it is. How do I paste? Okay. And then this should be check dot scala, and then I would say that, well, first of all, I want to do I don't need this anymore. And then wait, no, I do. This is relay check. Yeah. Okay, and then I will a let me see. Do I have just these three? Don't I have, well, okay. I have this. I don't know if I have anything else. Maybe I don't. Well, makes life easy if that is really only things. Okay, so these are checks, and then I would say a uh sorry. This is vector of bits, and then I don't need any of this. And then this is boolean. And then this is, I don't know why registered is not a it's not part of a type, but maybe I should be a bit more worried about that. Or I guess that is one of the things I was not happy about earlier, right? But if it works, then maybe I should just be fine with that as well. Yeah. Sorry, allergies as always. So I override all of this except this. I don't override that. And then wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. State from V in syndrome. Wait, I don't need this. Yeah. Okay, so these are at least the like basic things I want. And then I also need to fix the graph. Yeah. Probably won't build, but we'll see. Yeah. Probably missing something like numbers. Yeah. Oh, that is not what I expected. I was expecting to miss something else, but that is fine, of course. So, okay, so I have these two. Let me see. Well, I guess I fix this two first, and then I see if anything else still complain, yeah? So I would have to say that these two are not overrides. Oh, and this as well, yeah. Okay, so this is now just a number. And then these are, well, this is just a boolean because I don't know about registers. And this is now a vet of bulls. Um, well, if it builds, then builds. I mean, if it builds, maybe that is actually. Oh wait, I did not save here, so I don't know why it builds. Whatever. I probably just the overrides are not in. That's fine. We'll just rerun after this. Yeah. Well, if it if it passes and then I close and save everything and rerun and still passes, then maybe I will be, then maybe I'll be happy. I'll collect my piece of gear on World of Warcraft. I go have lunch and we come back later today to play more Rising or something, play something. Or I don't know, maybe we come back and do more programming because we are very productive people. This is what we are. We are good at programming. Um, yeah, I don't know. or come back and practice piano even. Oh, I still need to do a write up. The what is called I don't know if I want to do it right now, but I know I have this write up, this short write up to make to my music teacher to actually tell him what do I want to get out of our lessons. But yeah, I guess okay, cool. So a let me see, a create abstract check variable check interfaces. Okay, yeah. Okay, maybe I can also just give an update on what is happening, and then we can and I can see we'll talk more about it during the meeting. Okay, so how do I? This has been English, of course. So what do I even write? Uh, uh, on the hardware, on the what's it called, hardware implementation. Um, right now, right now I've separated everything from. I started with a with relay BP and separated out the generic BP parts. Um, the what is it called? In terms of uh processing at uh vertices of the graph. I have the current. I should just say the currently the interface is a currently the interfaces are given by. Oh, maybe I should also say something about. Uh, yeah, this is there's gotta be some things I can do here as well. So I should just say I make some progress because I feel like there's a lot. Like I could also make this more abstract by a what is called, like I could also just make this up here. Yeah, I don't know. Or maybe I can even do it now. Yeah. Can I? Let me see. Because if there's not too much that is a let me see. So I passed this to, and then a yeah, let me try that as well. So a top scholar, yeah. So I don't know, instead of top, let me just actually name it the right thing. Okay. Then I would say a what? Will I be able to? Well, I should be able to just do this, right? And I'll just say I'll just name this as the actual thing, and then a and then I would say this R instead of this. I would just say a make variable and make check. Okay, and then this would go into somewhere here that I have to worry about in a bit. Okay, a okay, and then I would pretty much just say, oh, so I need the what is called, I need the make check and make var. So a what is it called? The very nice song, of course. Oh, how do I? No, this is not. Uh, make variable is first copy this, yeah. syntax is surprisingly clean. Scala, I mean. Okay, I guess the lesson of the day is really to not try to not find the type system, because if you do, you are just gonna be very sad. Yeah. That's good to know. Yeah. Okay, so wait, how do I even? And then a this is going to look incredibly funny, but it's just like this, yeah. Oh, I got rid of it. Okay. Uh, this I don't know if this actually works the way I think it does. I think it might. And then I just don't have any of this, right? I guess I could even just. I mean, in that case, I don't even need this anymore. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, oh, of course not. Why not? Because quality eval is. Oh, wait, is this supposed to be? Wait, it's relay params. But what if I just downgrade this into? Oh, I cannot, right? Or can I? Or is it too much? Ew. Yeah, I think it's too much. Resettling, I guess. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Just reset. Yeah. Okay, and then I don't know, like clean or something. Um, there are spread out some generic BP parts. Um, are still more generic BP parts that I need to decouple from the relay folder. For example, the what is called um, there are still some more generic BP. What do I say here? I don't know. Well, I don't know. Here to write something brief now, and we can talk more later today. Okay. So uh and, and try to try making what? Try making the vertex interfaces to the try making the vertex uh variables. I don't know, tensor graph variable tensor graph vertices uh interface abstract. Um, Currently the interfaces are given by uh abstract classes. I don't know, or maybe try generalizing the tenor graph, try generalize, try generalizing the tenor graph versus interface uh to be compatible with all BP variants. Uh, by the variable dot scala and by the variable and check abstract classes. There are still more generic BP components that I need to decouple from the relay from the implementation. Yeah, I will continue to that I should decouple from the relay implementation. For example, what is it called? A currently the top level assumes why is it coupled? Because inequality eval are also coupled, and these are coupled as well. But then this is, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, maybe I should just say the top level still depends on, yeah, what am I using this for? Sum of messages. Why am I summing messages here? Um, is this some kind of, I don't understand fully. Um, some LR calculations. Yeah. Still uses some LR calculations that is some relay specific LR calculation components. I don't know, still calls, I guess. I don't want to use the word call. Still use this. That still depends on some relay specific. Currently, yeah. So more generic BP intrinsic components. Still more depending. That will continue to. Yeah, I will decouple from the work on decoupling from. That I will keep working on decoupling from the VA component. Top level still depends on some relay specific LR calculations, which will be some message. And data types and hardware data types. Work on, yeah, I don't know, give a figure to give a brief update. Now we can talk more later today. um, start with this, and then I try to generalize the tenor graph, uh, the interface of the tenor graph vertices. The goal is to be comparable with all BP variants. We wanted to make them comparable with, make the interface comparable with OBP variants. Okay, and then let me see wow, okay, sure. Yeah, I feel like since I've listened to this, I've been getting so much like Code Geass clips on my YouTube recommendations. It's, I mean, I don't hate it, it's just funny. Okay, so what do we do here? Eh, um, yeah, maybe I should also say a little bit, um, okay, relay and check abstract classes. Um, no, I will, no, I don't know. No, I don't know if this is the, if there is a cleaner way than this. If I'm overlooking a cleaner way than this, there are also still more. Okay, talk more in the meeting later today. Okay, please check my grammar. Uh, uh, oh, this to do I've fixed. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, instantiation relay. Good. Yeah. Oh, okay. So I guess we are like done-ish for now. I don't know. Uh, 1, 2, 3. I will give a. I want you to give a pre-update now. We can talk more in the meeting. We can discuss why not. We start with relay BP and try to generalize the interface of the tensor graph vertices. Wanted to make sure, want to make the compared interface comparable with all BP variants. Currently, the interfaces are given in the are modeled in the these abstract classes. So I don't know if I'm over if I'm right, though I'm not sure. Yeah. Uh, a cleaner way. Yeah, this is fine. Don't want it to be that rigid. And there are still more generic BP components that I will keep decoupling from the relay. The work that I will decouple from the that I would that I should decouple. Yeah. For example, currently the top level is just to do, yeah. Currently depends on some relays. There are calculation how the explicit error calculations. Okay, good enough. Yeah. Oh, I shouldn't show this on stream. So, oh, thank you guys very much. I will see you sometime soon to more gaming because yeah, thanks for keeping me company and so I did not lose too much of my mind. So much for refactoring. I see you.